Hello. Today we're going to discuss how to install and set up SCW Viewstation. First, we're going to go over to our browser. We're going to enter a URL scwguide.com. Go ahead and enter that now. This is going to take you straight to our support portal. We're going to go to Admiral and Imperial line and select Software on the right column. Once we're in here, we're going to have a Windows and a Mac version. We're going to go for our Windows version. I'm going to get a download prompt here. And once this is complete, I'm going to go ahead and run this. Now you may get a message here since this is not coming from the App Store. We're going to click More Info and Run Anyway if you get this message. All right, so we've got our installer going here. We're going to go ahead and follow the prompts. It's going to install in our program files unless you specified otherwise. All right, so that is complete. We're going to go ahead and run this for the first time. All right, so as soon as this boots, we're going to get a prompt here to set a super administrator password. Now, this program, it could potentially be used on a shared computer where you have multiple users with different levels of permission just for the software. This is not related to the MBR passwords. This is just for our software. So we're going to set a super administrator password. I'm going to set something somewhat generic here. I'm going to go with 12345 SCW exclamation point. We're also going to get some security questions here on setup. You're welcome to fill these out. You've got some options here, or it will accept a space if you just want to skip over this. Once it's created, it's going to ask us to log back in. So we're going to go ahead and do that. 12345 SCW exclamation point. And I'm going to lock this in so we do not have to enter this again after. Save password and auto login. Now, once this opens for the first time, if you have an NVR on your local network, you will be prompted to add it in this way. This is fine. We're going to skip over this for now. All right. So there's a lot going on in here, but the main important ones are going to be live view, playback, device management, and system configuration.